There was a mile mark bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon, and something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new, but there it was breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outmove. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears, and in that moment something shifted you, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe it followed every turn you made, till the silence opened just enough space, and it played like it knew your name. Never says it, but it feels the same. It was a song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was a song that found you, no need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio faded, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just the song that found you. I almost gave up on the time, thought love was a train I missed, watched it roll past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side, told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door that closed on me, let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You worth the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade, led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall, all the times I hit the bottom,
walking past the old bakery. The morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Presence lingers incomplete. Flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. Now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk. This time I let it pass me by.
Morning light spills soft across the floor, coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view,